Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we have got Madam Glam's June collection. So this month's destination is San Francisco, and the name of this collection is Take Me to the Bay. So it consists of 8 beautiful gel polishes, and the 5 that I have chosen are Oceanside, Aquaholic, Sandcastle, Salty Foam, and Shaka. As always, these gel polishes are henna-free, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and vegan. You get 15ml glass bottles. So what we're going to do is we're going to swatch them very quickly, take a look at the colours, because I don't really know what I want to do with them yet. I really need to see what they look like swatched to know what design I want to do. So we're going to swatch them first, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do with them. So first one is Salty Foam. Kind of like jellies, but kind of pastel jellies. So I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next one is Shaka. That's Shaka. Really slight hint of pink. Then we've got Oceanside. Really nice blue. Then we've got Aquaholic. That's like a, looks more blue on my camera, but it is like a turquoisey kind of blue. And the last one is Sandcastle. Oh, wow. I like this. This is definitely my favourite. It's strange why they put this one in this collection, because all the others are kind of jelly gels, where this is really creamy. Oh, I hope this is going to show on my camera. Please show. Can you see? It's not going to show it, is it? Just, can you see that little shimmer in there? Very, very slight shimmer. That is beautiful. Really beautiful colour. So because these are like jelly gels, I'm going to give these 2 coats. Just to see if it makes much difference. Yeah, it does. It definitely makes a difference. So that's after 2 coats. Yeah, definitely much better. So I'm going to go over the rest of these and give them 2 coats off camera. And then I'm going to get set up and I'll have a little think, see what I want to do with them. And then I'll pop back in once I've decided. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat on the top half, the matte top coat on the bottom half. They're really unusual. I like them. I've not got anything like that in my collection, so yeah, I can't wait to have a play with them. So now I'm going to get set up and we're going to do a little design with them. So I've decided I'm going to go with a beach theme. Looking at the colours and the name of the colours, yeah, I think a beach theme is the way we're going to go. So to start with, I'm going to use Sandcastle. Now this colour is so beautiful. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see that shimmer now. If you can't, I'm definitely going to because that colour is just can't be missed. Need to show you that colour properly because it is stunning. You can see I'm kind of bringing this down at an angle like this, and you'll see why in a minute. So that's not got to be super neat or anything where it's cutting off, because you're not going to see it anyway. So I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to use Aquaholic. And I'm going to apply that on the tips. Then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm applying another coat of Aquaholic. But I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to take my Madam Glam detail liner brush and I'm going to run some of this salty foam through that uncured Aquaholic, making sure to wipe my brush off in between. And I'm also going to run a tiny bit of Oceanside through it as well. Just going to create a bit of a kind of marbly effect, wavy effect. Like that. Then I'm going to give that a cure. So I've pulled my palette out. I want to mix some of salty foam with a tiny bit of Madam Glam's Perfect White. I'm going to get my detailer brush and I just want a little bit. This has not got to be neat by far. In fact, the messier the better, really. Try not to bulk it out at the side. You don't want loads on them side walls, or else it's going to make your nails look bulky. So I've mixed some washing up liquid in a bowl with some water, made some bubbles, and now I'm going to pop them onto that uncured gel polish. Like that. Just try to make sure it's all covered as well, guys. And then once you've got it all covered, pop it straight in the lamp. So now I'm using Sandcastle and I'm going to do a full nail of that on the ring finger. Then cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with this builder gel, just a clear builder gel. I could have done with a thicker builder gel really to do this. And now I'm using a long liner brush to apply that, and I want this to be thicker at the free edge and then thinning out as it goes towards the cuticle. And this is going to be a shell nail. So once I've got all those lines applied, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then off camera, I did do another 2 coats of that on top, just to build it up more, because it wasn't quite 3D enough for how I wanted it to look. So just to save time, I've done another 2 coats on top of that off camera. So you can see there now that looks a lot more 3D than what it did with just 1 coat. So now I'm using this Born Pretty Aurora Chrome Powder, and I'm just applying that to those 3D raised areas. And now I'm using the Madam Glam No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to apply a coat of that to the pinky, the middle and the index finger to start with. Ignore that shell on the ring finger, guys. That is going to be coming off, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. And then I'm going to stick a couple of embellishments on these nails, and then I'm going to top coat that ring finger and do a little cluster. And then once I've done that, I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and that'll be them all done.
Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
So there we are, guys. That is them finished. What do you think? I think they're cute. I really like that crystal cluster on that ring finger. I think that's really cute. I'm not sure about that shell on that middle nail. I might move that over to the left hand side like the other 2 nails. I'm not sure yet. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. You'll see, as always, in the top right hand corner of the screen is my Madam Glam discount code, and I'll leave that in my description box and pinned in my comments as well, along with my Madam Glam website bit.ly link. So if you click that link, that'll take you on over to the Madam Glam website, and you'll save yourself 30% off your order. Madam Glam also do a VIP membership as well, guys. If anyone's interested in that, you'll find all the information that you need on the website. And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.